There's been some things that has been building up that I've been wanting to bring to you guys, and something that I've been wanting to say for quite a while now, and I think it's that time. What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back, and thanks for coming and chilling with your boy. Anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribs. I'm known as Swag in the beard community. I have an Instagram channel that is _beardswag_. And the things I want to talk about, I've already got opened up right here because this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to come and spend some quality time with you. If you're into beard product reviews, if you're into unboxings, if you're into seeing products and maybe hearing my impression of what they are before you go out and buy them, or maybe you haven't heard of these companies, like, oh man, that sounds really good, this is a good channel for you. I promise I will bring new companies you've heard about, some new scent profiles, Oud scent profiles, because I am the ambassador of Oud. It's official. If you're into that kind of a thing, right down below there is a subscribe button, a reminder bell, and sometime during the video, if you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. Welcome back. The company that I want to share with you today. Well, there's a couple of them. I've been reviewing one that I didn't do an unboxing or a first impressions on, but I'll get to that after this. Is from Scott Miller at Taylor Beard Company. I ordered some stuff from him because he had some scent profiles that had oud in them. And anything that has oud, I get that good addiction going for these beard products, and I'd like to get them, and I'd like to bring as many as I can to share with you guys. And I'll have somewhere up here a link to, or a tag or whatever you call it, that you guys can go see some of my reviews and first impressions of his products. But what I got is Tailored Blue. I love those bottles, and I love these labels. I wish he had the scent profiles on them, but that's okay. We're not going to talk about that. That isn't a review. What is in Tailored Blue? And you're going to understand why I got this. Sweet tobacco, Cuban tobacco, oud, and blueberry. Right? Oh my gosh. Anticipation. Oh, sweet blueberry. Oh my gosh. Right up the front is that blueberry, that sweetness of that blueberry. I gotta warm this stuff up. Show you the oil. Look at that. Ah. You want to talk about a sweetness overload? You got the sweetness, fresh blueberry that pops right off the top. Then I get that sweet tobacco and that Cuban tobacco. There's that oud. There it is. Family. Such an intoxicating scent. Wow. Scott, you nailed it. You know me, I got to groom this stuff in. Look at that. I cannot wait. Yeah, there's that oud. I can smell it. I got it in the oil. What is this one? I got it in the butter. And of course, I got it in the balm. And some of Scott's balm, man. If you want a really heavy hold balm, this is it. It's right up there. If you've used Lux's balm before, Lux and him really share the spot for that heavy hold. But I think Lux has him beat. But this is still heavy. Oh, yeah. Yep. There's a divot out of it for you. Put that back in there. Scent profile's the same, along with a little bit of that carrier. I can smell the carrier blend in it. Now let me tell you what's in it. Let's go. In the oil. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, Jamaican black castor, which I love. It's one of my top 3. Grapeseed, lanolin, fragrance oils for the scent. Ooh. It says essential, but I don't think there's any essential in this. Tell you the truth. Oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. If you're into blueberry and fresh sweet tobaccos and ouds, this is one I hope you reach out and grab. I'll have it linked down below, and I'll have a discount code. I'll have a swag discount code for you. That's the bomb. I just opened that one. Let me show you the butter. Everything is consistent. I love it when they all just match. This is the butter. Now let me tell you what's in the bomb first. I'll skip that one. In the bomb, you have beeswax as your first ingredient. Shea butter, cocoa butter. Is this the butter or the bomb, guys? I'm sorry, I'm so confused. No, this is the bomb. Good. Let's get back to it. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, Jamaican black castor. So all the other carriers are in it, but beeswax first in that. Now the butter, y'all. Oh yeah. Wonderful. Let me just get a little breakdown of that. I might as well wear some of this tonight. What the heck? Let's get some out. Gone. Oh, I should have taken that ring off. That's okay. Some of this butter in here for nighttime. Oh, man. Sweet blueberry. Fresh. Fresh and sweet. Fresh and clean. All right, enough with that. Love it. If you haven't tried Scott's stuff, anything with his oud, you know I highly recommend. Tailored Man is one of my favorite oud scent profiles as of this point. I got a couple. Oh, I didn't read you what was in the butter, man. I'm just getting too intoxicated here. Whew. Slow down, boy. Comb. Get this combed in real quick. There we go. There we go. All right, we're good now. So, in the butter, what we have for ingredients. Is it the same? Let's just see here. Beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil. They are exactly the same. I don't know. I'm going to have to do a little research on that now. See what doing these videos do? I don't know if there were a mess up on the labels on this. Cocoa butter. Beeswax is first. I don't see how that's possible. Shea butter. Cocoa butter. Oh boy. Yeah, there's something not right here. I don't know. Maybe it's the same. Maybe it's just made different. I don't know. I don't see how that's possible. Anyways, moving past that. Scott, I'll have to reach out and ask you about that one. Man, so good. And then there was an oil that he came out with, too, that I had to buy. Let me tell you about this one. It's Tropical Thunder. Labels are cool. Before I tell you, let me just get a sniff of this. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Wow. Definitely tropical. What's in Tropical Thunder is pina colada, pineapple, vanilla, tobacco, and oud. Right? Oh my Lord. Another one I can't wait to get in. I don't think he has a bomb on a butter for that one. It was just a special release of the oil. Highly recommend Tailored. So, company that I'm going to tell you a story here that I have been testing out that I didn't do an unboxing because I really didn't have an unboxing. There was no box. It was a great man and a woman by the name of Carolyn and Greg Holm reached out to me probably a year ago. A little less than that, probably 8 months ago. I don't know. It was a while ago. and they were based here out of La Grande, my hometown. And I hadn't heard anything from them, didn't get anything from them, didn't have any interaction. And then all of a sudden last week, I get a message on Messenger on Facebook. It's like, hey, I'm just wondering if you were still interested in it, in doing a product review, and test my stuff and maybe give us some hints and pointers. I told them absolutely I would be honored to, because that's what we do here. People want to reach out and throw some stuff at me. Absolutely, I'd be more than honored to test it out, to give you my thoughts, to help you out, have some interaction, tell you what I think, some things that could be changed, and just have fun and build a relationship and bring them into the community. So anyways, it was, I do believe, Tuesday night. Yeah, I think it was Tuesday night. They messaged me again and said, hey, are you interested? I told them absolutely. He said, okay, well, we're going to swing by and drop off some stuff. So they were in town. They were still thinking of your boy here. And they ended up knocking on the front door. And standing out at the front door, there was a package sitting in a bag, in a paper bag. And they were standing out on the sidewalk due to the fact of COVID. They wanted to be respectful and stay away from the house. And gave me a bag full of balms, a couple of oils, some lotions for Nikki, and some soaps, some body soap, some bars of soap. So yesterday I started using these products, and I'll tell you what, I was very impressed to see a balm and an oil on his website, but a balm that he had in the bag of birchwood oud. And I'm telling you, I am so proud of them for having a scent profile like that, not knowing anything about the community, not knowing anything, just a local small batches they get, and still understanding and seeing the significance and loving the scent profile of oud and birchwood oud. It is one of my favorites. So I've been rocking that, and I mixed it with another one of their oil. They gave me a sandalwood oil, but I'm going to have a review on them. I'm going to use their products all week long, and then Saturday I'll have a review. But I'm going to go ahead and give them a shout out. They've got something for everybody. Is one of them, and you can see their card there. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a discount code linked down below as well. They gave your boy a swag code, and then the other one is that Guy Skincare. So they got something for everybody, but then they focus on that Guy Skincare. So that's what it's about. Very honored that they did that. I'm very impressed with the oil. I've been using it for 2 days now, and my beard has felt absolutely wonderful. I recommended a few things to them. I think they're going to start looking into some butters because they didn't know anything about the butters. But their lotions that I had, that they gave to Nikki, had almost the same consistency of a butter, but it wasn't as thick as it should have been. So I used some of that the first night and put some of that hand and body lotion in my beard, and it worked great. It worked great all night long. But family, that's all I've got for you today. Just wanted to come in and do a video and give you some love and pick you up, and you guys just stay focused on truth and transparency. Stay in your own lane and just enjoy yourself, and just understand that this channel will always come with positivity, love, support, community, beard products. You'll know what comes on. It's about Jesus Christ, which is the foundation of everything in my life. That's just what it's about. And also, there is an eating competition coming up, and I want to give some love to a couple of guys. Three of them that I am just now building a really strong relationship with, and I'm honored to know them, and one that I've known for quite a while, and him and I do a lot of work together, and build a good relationship. The first one is also Tyson. It's all Tyson from Faithfully Bearded. You all probably know about him. Wonderful man. I love you. You're an amazing dude, and I'm just so honored and happy that we get to do the things that we get to do together. Praise God. The other two are Kyle and Joe. They have a review channel that they get together. They're cousins, and out of Cleveland, I do believe. They actually inspired me to even say something about this, about paying it forward and lifting people up. They're newer to the community, but they have such an impact of positivity and love, and just being themselves. It's amazing. So I'll have those guys linked down below. And then I'm always another guy you've heard about, a cool cat, Mo the Bearded Shark. I've heard about Mo for so long, and I've watched his videos and been subscribed, but here lately, because of this eating competition that came because of Tyson and I sitting on the Mike Tyson show, and having Kyle and Joe on, and the Mo's supposed to be on, we got together and we started building this wonderful brotherhood that we have, and it's real strong. And I'm proud of those guys. So I'll have each one of them linked down below with their YouTube channels on there to go give them, go subscribe to them, give them some love, watch their videos. They're cool, man. And I'll tell you, there's been some deep trash talking on the personal messaging on Instagram, and it's been cool, man. I'm honored. So anyways, family, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Go lift somebody up. Give somebody forgiveness that may have needed it for a long time, even if they haven't asked. Go ask forgiveness of somebody that's been on your heart, that you've been wanting to ask forgiveness and maybe build a relationship, but just move on, one foot in front of the other. Make moves or make excuses, I always say. So family, peace and God bless. I'm out.